In this video, I am going to show you how to create signature in your Outlook. So let's see. At first, you need to log in your Outlook account. Then you need to click your new email. Then here you can find this signature option. Just need to click here in this down arrow. Okay, then you need to select your signatures. From there you need to click your new and you just need to write down your name. Okay, then you need to click here OK. Then you need to select this box. Now you need to check my video description. Here I will give you one Google Drive link. Just you need to download free template from there. Here I have already downloaded this template, and here you can see all the template. There are in total 20 templates, so you can select any one of this for your Outlook account. Let's say I would like to use this template. So whenever you select any template, if you need to select the image, all you need to do is click on the image, right click the mouse, change picture, this device, and you can select your image from there. Okay, as I already edited or updated this template, so that is why I don't need to change. Okay, but in case of any text, just need to simply select and you can write your own information here. Okay, then after updating the template, just you need to simply keep the cursor over there, right click, and just simply copy. Then again come back this Outlook account, and here in this box you just need to simply paste it over there. Okay, now you just need to simply paste it over there, and here you need to select keep source formatting. Just paste it. Okay, then you are done. So then again here you can find two options. Choose default signature. You can just need to simply select first one, new message. Here is none. Just need to simply click here and you need to select your name. And in case of replies forward, if you want, you can also use this signature and you can select here. So I don't need to do it. Okay, just in case of new message, I am using my signature. That is the reason I have selected it. Okay, now if you want, you can edit it further here. You can bold. Okay, well, I don't need to bold it. Okay, just need to simply click here. Okay, now you are done. So whenever you are sending message or mail to anyone, this signature will be automatically used here. Just need to select your signature and click here, then your signature is here. Now you can write down anything and your signature will be automatically sent. So in this way you can create the signature in your Outlook.